Chapter title: Power Sharing. Topic: Case studies of Belgium and Sri Lanka. This topic is used to show two contrasting examples of how countries handle diversity and power sharing. Belgium: accommodating diversity through power sharing. 1. Ethnic composition. Is a small country in Europe with a complex ethnic composition. Flemish-speaking Dutch, approximately 59%, mainly in the Flanders region. French-speaking, 40%, mainly in the Wallonia region. German-speaking, approximately 1% in the east. Brussels, the capital, is bilingual, 80% French-speaking, even though Dutch speakers are the majority in the country. 2. Tensions between communities. French-speaking community was once economically better off. Dutch-speaking majority felt discriminated in jobs, education, and governance. This caused tension between the two major language communities. 3. Belgium's power sharing model. To maintain unity, Belgium amended its constitution 4 times between 1970 to 1993 to accommodate all communities. 4. Key features of power sharing in Belgium. Equal representation for Dutch and French-speaking ministers in the central government. State governments are not subordinate to the central government. Brussels has a separate government with equal representation of both language groups. A third level of government, community government, has power over culture, education, and language. Elected by people of each language group, Dutch, French, German, regardless of region. Result: peace and stability in Belgium. Successful example of how power sharing can help preserve unity in diversity. 104. Sri Lanka is an island nation near India. Population includes Sinhalese, 74%, mostly Buddhist. Tamils, 18%, includes Sri Lankan Tamils, 13%, and Indian Tamils, 5%, mostly Hindus, with a few Muslims and Christians. 2. Post-independence policies. Gained independence in 1948. Majoritarianism emerged. Sinhalese majority began to dominate political and social life. 3. Steps taken by Sinhalese majority, 1956. Sinhala declared the only official language. Preferential policies favored Sinhalese in government jobs, university admissions. Buddhism declared the official religion. Tamils were denied equal rights, which created a feeling of alienation. 4. Impact on Tamils. Felt marginalized and discriminated against. Peaceful protests were ignored or suppressed. Demand for autonomy grew. Led to the formation of Tamil militant groups, e.g., LTTE. Civil war broke out, lasted for decades. Thousands killed, many displaced. Result: the policy of majoritarianism failed. Sri Lanka suffered from instability, violence, and civil war. A key comparison. Belgium versus Sri Lanka feature. Belgium versus Sri Lanka. Ethnic composition equals Dutch, French, German speakers. Sinhalese, Tamils. Approach: power sharing, accommodation. Majoritarianism, domination. Outcome equals peace, unity, stability. Conflict, civil war. Violence: type of government equals inclusive federal structure. Centralized majoritarian rule. Minority treatment equals recognized and empowered, marginalized and discriminated. Conclusion: Belgium shows that accommodation and power sharing lead to unity and peace in a diverse society. Sri Lanka shows that ignoring diversity and imposing majority rule can lead to conflict and civil war. These examples highlight why power sharing is important in democracy. It avoids tyranny of majority, ensures participation of all communities, promotes stability and unity. Like, share, and subscribe for Part 2.